Most people only use 1 or 2 bank accounts. But here's the secret. Wealthy people use 6. And each one plays a different role in building their money. 6 accounts that can make you rich. I really wish I knew this stuff sooner. These accounts can help you make money, send you checks, and even save you money. Let me walk you through them so you can set them up easily. Let's go. Number 6, a checking account. Everyone needs a checking account. This is your main everyday account, the one you'll use to receive paychecks, pay bills, and manage your money. How to get it? Super simple. Go to the bank, bring your ID, and make a small deposit. That's it. Why do we need it? It's because it's basically the home base for your money. Imagine it like your money's living room. Everything passes through here first. You get paid, it lands here. Pay rent, Netflix, groceries, it all comes out of here. Without a checking account, life becomes messy, like trying to pay bills in cash every month. Number 5, a high-yield savings account. This is how you make your money work for you. Unlike a regular savings account, a high-yield savings account pays you a much higher interest rate. It's perfect for keeping your emergency fund or any money you don't need to spend right away. Why do we need it? Think of it as a money parking lot. You park your money there, and while it's just sitting, it earns way more than a normal bank savings account. Number 4, a brokerage account. A brokerage account is what you use to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and more. This is how you grow your wealth over time by putting your money into the market instead of letting it just sit in the bank. Why do we need it? Because leaving your money in a bank is like leaving a plant in the dark. It'll survive, but it won't grow. A brokerage account is like putting that plant in the sun. Your money has the chance to grow way faster here. For example, the stock market has historically grown about 7 to 10% a year on average. That means $1,000 could turn into $2,000, $5,000, or even more over time, without you doing anything except leaving it invested. Number 3, a Roth IRA. This stands for Individual Retirement Account. The difference between Roth IRA and 401k is the taxes pay. In 401k, you invest before paying taxes. It lowers your taxes now, but you'll pay taxes later when you withdraw. The situation with Roth IRA is the opposite. You pay taxes first, but then your money grows tax-free, and when you withdraw in retirement, you don't pay anything. Why do we need it? Because it's like planting a tree today that grows tax-free fruit forever. Imagine you put $6,000 in a Roth IRA every year in your 20s. By the time you retire, that money could grow to over $1 million. And the best part? You don't owe the government a single penny when you take it out. Future you will be high-fiving present you. Number 2, certificates of deposit. This isn't exactly a regular account, but it's worth knowing about. A CD lets you lock up your money for a fixed amount of time, like 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years. The longer you keep it, the more interest you earn. The only downside, your money's locked during that period. Why do we need it? Because it's like a deal with the bank. I promise not to touch this money, and you promise to pay me more interest. CDs are good if you've got cash you don't need right away. It's like saving for a car next year or a house down payment in a few years. It's safer than investing in stocks and usually pays more than just leaving your money in a basic account. Number 1, a money market account. A money market account is similar to a checking account, but here's the difference. It pays you higher interest on your balance. That means your money grows faster while still being easy to access. Why do we need it? Think of it as a hybrid between a checking account and a savings account. You can still write checks or use a debit card, but your money earns more interest while sitting there. It's perfect if you like having quick access to your cash, but you don't want it just sitting around doing nothing. It's like keeping your money both ready to go and growing at the same time. So, why do you need these accounts? Simple. Instead of keeping your cash sitting around or in low-interest accounts, these options help you make more money, save more money, and grow your wealth. Think of it this way. Your checking account is your money's home base. Your savings and CDs keep your money safe while it grows. Your brokerage and Roth IRA build your future wealth. And your money market account gives you flexibility with extra rewards. Each account has its own role, and together they create a system that makes your money work harder for you. And how if you found this video helpful? Do me a favor, hit the like button so more people can see it, and subscribe if you want more tips on building wealth the simple way. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know which of these accounts you already have, or which one you're going to open first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.